Miss Dorothy? Miss Dorothy? Can I talk to you a little, Miss Dorothy? Miss
Yes, you can talk to
Dorothy? Miss
me. Come
Dorothy?
inside, come inside.
Miss Dorothy? Yes, Miss Dorothy, yes. I hope I shot me run go by too little something. For look have a little dinner for the children them. But I have a little thing that bother me here. And because he's a elderly lady in the community, I can't get to talk to you about it. Because me had my wits ends. I don't know what else to do. I am at my last. I don't know if you remember my little daughter Abby. And Abby been going down to her father, Bruce. From she was 3 years of age, she been going to and from holiday time. I would send her down there. And sometime on weekends, she would go down there from she been 3 years of age. And I make I tell you something. I don't talk about it. But from Abby reach 12, I've been sending her down to her father. And I notice when she go and come back, she just sit down like she lost. And I am wondering to myself, Abby wasn't like that. Abby wasn't like that. I keep asking her, Dorothy, I keep asking her, what is the problem? Because to how I live with my kids, them can come to me and share anything with me. I give them that privilege. I don't rough them. And I tell you, I keep asking her. And she said, Mommy, nothing don't happen. Nothing. There is nothing. I even carry her to the doctor. Doctor said don't see anything wrong with her.
Huh?
But Dorothy, something no look good. He no look good at all, at all, at all. He don't look good. He no look good. At the first me ever see something like this. Because she used to so happy to go down to her father. And all of a sudden, at one time, I thought it was the PEP exam that she's studying for. She worrying about, only to know it's not that. I am very worried, Dorothy. So I come to seek some counseling from you. I come to get some advice. I come to ask your opinion, what I should do. I don't want to tell anybody because nowadays people don't keep their mouth. So I don't want to tell anybody. So that's why I come to say to you, because I don't see you mix up with anybody. So me come to talk to you. So let me hear what you have to say to me. Millicent, I can tell you something. This is a very serious matter. A very, very serious one. You have to angle this one with care. Like when you're taking a tray of egg from the market, that is angle. Oh, you have to handle this one. You have to use wisdom. Why you don't say if you go down to the school, they don't have any guidance counselor at the school that you can talk to and see what the guidance counselor is saying. Don't just get up and start worry your brain and you don't know what the position is, you know. I am glad you come here to seek help and don't just get up and start beating the child. Beat her, because that is what a lot of parents do, you know. They see something looking funny, they start beating up on the child and cussing the child. I am glad you never take that initiative, you know. Yes, I am glad you use wisdom and come up here. It's good for you can find an elderly person to talk to because, as old time people say, two head better than one. So it's good that you come here. But what I'm saying, since I don't know the whole story, because what you said to me is not the whole story, it's best if you go down to the school and talk to the guidance counselor. Yes, because it can be one of many things that is causing the problem. Because a child that used to be outspoken, a child that used to be frisky, jovial, and just shut down like that, that is not a good sign. You have to take it up very serious. Very serious matter. Is not something to joke about, especially in these times. I don't know if Bruce is any bad father, but that woman that Bruce take up when he meets, see, I don't know. I'm not saying anything, you know. Mark, I am not saying it's she, you know. I am only telling you that for the years I know Bruce has been a good gentleman. So I'm not saying it's Bruce and I'm not saying it's Mitzi. It could be anything causing the problem. So I would advise you to go down to the school. Yes, and see what is happening. All right. And take it easy, you hear? Take it easy. And tomorrow you go down at the school, go find out. And nobody stress out your brain too much. Because sometimes I know nothing. Sometimes the little pitney them a grow big. For them a bust breast and all these things. Then take up woman. And who no take up woman, take up man pan their head. So nobody worry yourself. It can be a lot of things. But the part that you said, she don't want to go back down to the father house. That part is very serious because it's a place that she used to love go. So we have to bear that in mind. But take it easy, you hear? Take it easy. All right, take it easy. Thank you, Aunt Dorothy. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I listened to everything you said, and what you are saying really makes sense, Aunt Dorothy. It really makes sense what you are saying. Tomorrow morning, me I go try run go down to the school, go talk to the guidance counselor, as you said, and to see what the problem is if she can help me, because I heard it's a good guidance counselor at the school. So I am going down there to talk to her earlier morning. I hope to God me can sleep very well tonight because I don't want anything to happen to me pitney them. So, all right then you hear me I come run go down go cook before late catch me. And take it easy. All right, you hear? Take it easy. And we talk. Me come back and tell you what the guidance counselor said. All right, thank you for your advice. Very good advice. Okay, please to like, subscribe, and share. Okay, thank you.